Did we do my best score? Been a 151 on the glass.
Okay.
And I still got my back
That's
seats,
pretty good.
So.
Heck yeah, man. Awesome. And you made it work in the back, so you fit everything optimized.
Yep. It took every square inch to get it, but we got it.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Can you get her to shut the back?
Yep. Yeah, shut the back fast.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Alright, my name is JT. Got two Skar Audio EVL 18s on two RP2Ks.
Alright.
So,
Are they wired at 1 ohm?
1 ohm each. Yes, sir.
I like how your battery bank's here. Not many people do
appreciate
that.
it.
That's a good idea. And you still have your back seats too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Kind of had too much. My beautiful bass head likes to come on all the shows with me. So.
Oh, okay. That's good though. Also, she likes it.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty cool. Do you have you have like a custom spot for your head unit?
Yeah, I built that. I'm gonna put my voltmeters and everything up here.
Sweet.
This temporary for now. We got a lot bigger build coming, so
Okay. Yes, sir.
let's see what we got here.
All right. Window down or up?
Yeah, demo's better with windows down.
All right.
Yeah, did we do my best score? Been a 151 on the glass.
Okay.
And I still got my back
That's
seats,
pretty good.
So.
Heck yeah, man. Awesome. And you made it work in the back, so you fit everything optimized.
Yep, it took every square inch to get it, but we got it.
And the ports, what size ports are those?
6-inch ports.
6-inch ports. Okay, got it.
Made the ports, did the paint, all of it.
Awesome. Good job, man.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vila. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a JT system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021 near Tampa, Florida area. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I really like the box layout and the efficiency of the install where he still has his back seats to make it a family vehicle. On top of that, fitting two 18-inch subwoofers. Really big pack and cone area for two 18s instead of putting two 15s. Most people with this much space would put two 15s, but I did notice that he made it work. So two 6-inch air ports, maybe on the small side for port area, but that kind of helped him play the lows a little bit better. The box may not be the optimal size, but he got the job done, and he broke a 151 plus on the glass. So shout out to you, man. JT, you did a really nice job. I enjoyed the demo. And having a separate amplifier per subwoofer helped him battle with some of his impedance rise, ohm change, as well as a really efficient electrical system he had. I like the way he had his amplifier layout at the back of the box so he could work with it, tune it, tweak it, and install new amplifiers there. But it's not recommended to put the amplifiers on the box, but he probably didn't have anywhere else optimal to put it unless he wanted to put it under the seat. But this got the job done, and it was a really nice showcased vehicle. And I'm pretty sure this is a Blazer was the install for this dual 18-inch subwoofer system. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily kart audio videos coming your way every day on the channel of Jacob Viral. And I hope you enjoy the demo. Pretty impressive to see how loud he got from just two subwoofers behind the back row seat. Enjoy the demo.
man. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Thanks for letting me demo it to you,
Yes,
man.
sir. You're welcome.
Yeah, did we do my best score? Been a 151 on the glass.
Okay.
And I still got my back
That's
seats,
pretty good.
So.
Heck yeah, man. Awesome. And you made it work in the back. So you fit everything optimized.
Yep, it took every square inch to get it, but
Yep.
we got it.
And the ports, what size ports are those?
6-inch ports.
6-inch ports. Okay, got it.
Made the ports, did the paint, all of it.
Awesome. Good job, man.
I appreciate
Thank you for
it.
showing me. Sorry.
Have a good
Have a good
day.
day. You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.